Good morning, everyone. We actually woke up to 5,000 subscribers this morning.
Which is so insanely crazy because...
What, we started 8 months ago?
Yeah, we started 8 months ago with 400 subscribers, and now we have 5K, which is wild. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thanks
for your
joining
support.
us, everyone.
Alright, so I guess we will be celebrating 5K in a gas station parking lot because that is currently where we are and where we woke up this morning. And today's video will actually be a little bit different from what we usually make because we will be showing you all the raw, unedited, less desirable parts of van life, things that you wouldn't ever post on social media, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing that. So let's get on with it.
Alright, so we finished making the bed, so now we can sit in couch mode. We're about to make breakfast, but a little bit of backstory. The reason that we're at a gas station right now is because our battery is actually broken.
Literally the other day we heard a pop and then we smelled some burning.
Yes.
And then turns out our battery no longer works. Like it won't take any solar, and also our laptop battery just won't work at all anymore.
I talked to RockPal. It had a 1.5-year warranty, which is super nice, so we were able to get a refund on that, and we decided to order their newer model, which is coming to an Amazon locker.
So we had to plan completely around that. We were supposed to go to a glass beach in Mendocino that had to get canceled, and so we are currently in Stockton, California. Having some fun in the gas station parking lot.
Our 50th vlog in a gas station parking lot.
Yes. So this entire cup of tea just spilled all over here and it went in there, and so we had to take that out, wash it, and our towel is completely soaking wet, and that is what has just happened.
Yes.
So it is currently 1 in the afternoon, and we both have not brushed our teeth or done anything because we are actually going to go celebrate with a shower at the gas station for 5K. And so I have my little bag full of all my stuff, and we're going to get cleaned up. And Chad is especially excited because he smells very bad.
Yes, I smell terrible, and it's been a very long time because you can always wash your head, but you can't really wash your body as well, especially in California when it's so populated. People are everywhere. So
You don't want to.
So excited.
You don't want to strip down
I do
naked
not.
on the sidewalk and
Here
start
in the
washing
Love's
your.
parking lot. $13 for you today.
So we are back in the van, freshly showered, and it was after we showered when we remembered that Chad is in dire need of a haircut.
Yes.
And so unfortunately, we're going to cut his hair after the shower, and then he'll probably have to rinse his head off with our water. So how are we going to pull this off, you ask? Well, I have some safety scissors that I'll be cutting his hair with. And then we're gonna use our rain tarp and put it around his body like how they do it in the salons so that it won't get everywhere. I think it's a brilliant idea.
I really,
It feels exactly like the stuff.
Yeah, it does. I just feel a little weird because there's like a homeless person right there looking through the trash.
Alright, we'll clip it. We have stronghold magnets. We're gonna clip it around his neck.
I think I could get away with sitting here.
Oh, this is perfect. Alright, so trimming his hair is going to take a while, so we're going to answer some questions about the not so fun parts of van life. Alright, so what was the scariest moment for you in the van? I feel like a hair salon is getting the tea.
Yeah. I mean, recently I think being in San Francisco and everyone telling us that our car is going to be broken into if we like leave our van at all was really, really scary.
There was one time where it was raining and I didn't think we would be able to make it up a hill on the East Coast. Do you remember that? And we actually got stuck like going halfway up.
Oh yeah, we were
hill.
really far in the national forest, and like no one probably would have come for at least a day or two. We would have been
also
stuck.
no service,
Yeah, so it started downpouring, so then the roads got really muddy. There were leaves everywhere, and there was a huge hill. Almost didn't make it up the hill. that was honestly very scary.
Yeah. All right, next question. What is the most stressful thing to coordinate while living in the van? Yeah, I feel like ice, water. Water's a hard one.
Yeah.
And then also planning like our route. I think that's kind of hard, and figuring out where to park.
Yeah, and gas prices because we're cheap.
Yeah. What was the hardest state for van life so far? We'll show you a little pan of the map so you kind of see what states we've been in.
California hasn't been as easy for parking.
Yeah, California's been, like, it's beautiful, and the weather has been really great while we're here, but finding parking is so insanely hard because the police actually will go out and find people who are, you know, parking places where they shouldn't be parking.
Because there's so many van people, especially on Highway 1.
Yeah.
So it's not possible, really.
Yeah, so that's been a little bit harder. And, like, the cost here has been a little bit harder for gas and groceries and just everything. Everything's been way more expensive. How long would you both be able to live in your van full time? That is, if you weren't selling it.
I could probably, I don't know, end of this year.
I think more recently, I've like seen myself being in here longer. Back then, maybe like 3 months ago, I would have been like, no, we need to finish it in a year. But I think we've really gotten in the roll of things, and like I can see us like even keeping the van if no one wants to buy it, and I would be totally fine with that because it is a home, and it's been a really good home for the amount of money that we spend per month. It's fantastic. Yeah, like it's really good. But the thing is, like long term, like let's say if we had a family or something, this would obviously
a family. Oh my god,
this would not do. Or even a dog, you know, like anything.
Yeah, anything more would be tough. All right, quick intermission as we now go back.
You're switching sides.
Okay. I love your mobile salon. Imagine cutting my hair on a super windy day. It's like it'd be horrible, but at the same time, all the hair would be gone.
Yeah, into our van?
No, if I was just standing outside.
I wouldn't even be able to see your head because my hair would be all on my face.
In this situation, you're bald.
Can you imagine me bald? Okay, guys, who do you think would look better bald, me or Chad?
I would look better bald. I will be bald one day.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna look great. I'm gonna be a great looking bald person. Oh boy, my left butt.
While you're working your left butt, you should tense your right butt.
It doesn't work like that.
Alrighty, this is the final reveal. I think Chad looks 100 times better.
Yeah, I do think I look a lot better.
Yeah, it looks, because your hair is actually short enough on the top now to lift it up. Not bad for safety scissors and a rain tarp. So we are currently finishing up tonight's dinner, and this is the final look. We decided on Chipotle bowls tonight because Chad suggested it.
Okay.
So, we are in a bit of a pickle because we don't have any power because our battery's dead and we need power to edit videos and to get work done. But this is the thing. So last night we went into the Arby's and they have the worst chairs in the world. Like they look like this, and so your thighs are caught on like the swoop and it hurts. Yeah. Can't sit with your legs up. You can't even sit with them down. It's like the worst thing ever, and there's no back support. I know I'm making it sound dramatic, but I did not have a good time working in there. But anyways, I think we have to go back in because we can't do anything else. These are the chairs. Oh, Claire. We're gonna show you the chairs in there, and you're gonna see it looks exactly like this.
That is not curved enough.
Yeah. Breaking my wrist for this. Ow.
Break. All right, let's go.
There is one reason to be excited about going in. It won't smell like manure anymore.
Yeah, it does not smell good right now.
We've been getting a gentle waft.
Whiff.
Of manure for like the last 3 hours. And like every now and then it just catches in your nose and you're like, manure. These are the devil chairs.
We are getting lots of work done. The Wi-Fi is sped up.
Yeah.
And it's just pretty nice. Claire got a new chair.
Yeah. My thighs feel great. So tonight we spent a lot of hours, honestly, emailing tons of different companies trying to plan for the future. And we were kind of asking, like, you know, could we give you a YouTube video promoting whatever you do, like a tour or your accommodation, in exchange for a free stay or a free tour? And I think it was just an hour after we sent all those emails out, we got one response. And they're saying, like, yes, of course, like, we'll give you a free stay and a free tour. And I'm just like, what? That's crazy. Because I was thinking, like, they'd say no, like, you still have to pay this much, but we'll give you, like, maybe a small discount. And so it just gave me so much more confidence in what we're doing, and just knowing that we can make full-time travel a reality with not much money. And it's such a great way to end the night, and I'm just, like, so insanely happy.
Yep, but we will see you guys in the morning.
Good night. Good morning, my friends. So Chad actually decided to step into the kitchen for once, and this is very exciting. He actually made us some omelets that apparently he used to make all the time back in high school. So we're gonna dig in and try Chad's famous omelets.
Is it good? I didn't season it.
Not bad. I would add a little bit of salt, but that's it.
So after eating breakfast, we went to the post office. Claire just got a lot of video editing done, and now we're gonna head to Trader Joe's and get some groceries.
Yes, I have meal planned for the following, I think, 5 days. Every single time we go to the grocery store, I meal plan, and it takes a while for me to figure out all the meals, but it's worth it because then we can continue on the days we film and just know what we're gonna eat.
Yep. Well, today has turned into more of an errand day, so we just got some Costco gas, and now we're gonna treat ourselves because it's kind of just been a slow day with a Costco snack. Claire surprised me and treated herself to a sundae.
I was gonna get a sundae.
I know, I thought we were getting the strawberry one.
Well, I wanted chocolate. And then they didn't have the churro, so I got a hot dog.
So Claire and I are both so tired. We've done a lot of just different boring errands today, going to USPS and going to Walmart.
Trader Joe's,
Yeah,
Costco.
Trader Joe's, Costco. And
gosh.
now we're gonna go get our power bank, which I am really excited about. Then we're gonna go to our parking spot, and it's just a long day.
So we have finally made it to our last spot of the day, and it will be our overnight parking spot, and is actually another gas station parking lot. We're actually at the Flying J this time.
I'm so tired.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, but we got our box.
Yeah, we need to unpackage our battery. Hopefully it works. All right, time to unbox this fella. Ooh, new design.
Oh, bad design though, because the lights are on the back.
What? No.
That's so annoying.
Is there a solar plug? That's very important. I just want to show you the difference in size between
the new
one and the old one. Like, this one is so much smaller. I think the design of this one was way better.
Yeah. So there's our new unit. So sadly, the cord that we used on our old unit does not work on our new one, so I'm now going to drive us to Home Depot. I'm going to try to find someone to talk to and see if they are able to convert this cord into something for the new one.
So this is turning out to be very, very bad.
There is no solution at Home Depot. The guy was super tired that I talked to, and he was not helpful. So we're gonna have to look and try to order a part on Amazon and wait another 2 days, which is gonna be really tough.
Because we'd already canceled plans to go to Mendocino to do this, and now we might have to reschedule our later plans.
I don't want that to happen, and I will be able to...
You're gonna fix it tomorrow in our one day?
Well, I want to try, but instead I can also order the part to come after our camping trip.
We won't have any power.
We'll still have power. We can charge this in other ways.
Ay.
So quick update, our alternative is just to continue to use the unit, and we don't have a solar panel, but we can still charge it by driving our car or plugging it into an outlet that we might find. But that's pretty much the plan for now. Are you okay with this plan, Claire?
I'm disappointed that we didn't get a cord with the battery because we did last time, and the battery is very important because we make videos every 4 days, so
We just have to drive more to charge everything.
gas is so expensive here.
We'll figure it out. It'll be okay. I think this is how we're ending our video.
I know, yesterday we were ending it on such a happy note, just like so insanely happy. And now we're like struggling so hard with our battery, but that's life for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing like the real raw parts of our life, and we will catch you in the next one with a travel vlog.